David, I nice one.
I wanna go with you. I wanna be there for you.
I don't know. Everything you do value for everything you do value.
I used to just walk on the way and I'll see what I use.
Before my friend great content. You see the way girls together, you get up.
Let's go.
Don't be charming. Action.
Hey.
Why is the big person down? Don't let me tell them. Ah, no, it's not. Let's go down. No, it's not. Wait, what? I'm going to take that meal. You know that your name. You know everybody that will get it. You know everybody that will know how to pronounce it.
Ironic. No. The first man, the first man, where is that?
Everywhere, antenna.
The
They have extended antenna
first
extension.
man, where is United, so that I think Wrong the second one. Crypto log there for my bank. Don't use bag. Don't use bag.
How are you making?
Bag. Mike.
I beat up on my everybody.
Come.
Hello everyone, I'm Esther Pendermisi. I'm Clinical Solution CEO from the Media, and the organizers of the Justice Submission and Innovation of the Symposium at the Laboratory of Technology. These are honestly exciting. We had 2 days. excited, certainly embracing and hoping, that we can continue to show that. For the second day was mind-blowing. In fact, start to back, ready for action, ready to master every step with the amateurs, every single speaker, every single expert, took them through the amateurs, the instructors, and the every single the sequence that blew my mind. And to imagine that just have to take the steps and already you're beginning to see some results. I saw poses, I saw styles, animation styles that probably not imagined before now. And to see them already start off this big, using their amateurs, is something that tells us that the possibilities coming are absolutely interesting. And it's something that we need to do. So it's been an amazing today. Then looking forward to the workshop at accounting. All of these will be thank you for all of us that participated and for all of us that will be part of the team and make this happen. That work really very interesting for days and weeks and months putting this together. And yes, our partners, I cannot thank them enough. The French Embassy, the National Talent Access Bank, so much more. Everybody showing up, big deal for us, making a difference in this space. And we will continue to do for making this place. Look at you. You mentioned them.
It is okay, man.
Okay. So are you coming? You're coming straight to
What about you? We are here. I think we are here. All right. You want to? Just say yes.
On your own, you also answer.
No, find out.
No, don't worry, it's on your own. These are I decide to ask you, not her.
Okay, if I can't say yes now.
And
they
they
can't
also
tell
say
another
yes,
deny it. Like,
Calm
this guy now.
Calm down. What I found is, is it, no, is it like you not be able to go to the, like, is it entertaining music? Because if I start doing this, I start asking for it,
Alright, just calm down. I was supposed to be able to do that down, that one.
It's everywhere. Now the music. Let's go, Johnny. Let's eat.
Na yìí jù.
Ayé ló máa ń bá.
Ó lè bá yìí máa ń bí ẹ̀rọ.
Ìpè ìgbà yìí. I know say na this guy every break if you don't do that time.
After you do that, you now what is this particular one for? What is this for? I don't know. You do that. Where do you go?
Oga David, we are going.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Pẹ̀mbẹ̀ ní stick.